Welcome to Ball Fall, a game made to train reaction time especially for those with little to no movement. The goal of Ball Fall is to tilt the board left and right to get the ball to collect the points as you move down the maze. Can you solve the maze? Press the next button when you are ready for the next instruction. You'll control the tilt of the board, steering the ball to the left or right. When you bend up, the ball will roll to the right side. When you flex down, the ball will roll to the left side. Press Next. When the game begins, the ball will drop onto the top of the board. You'll tilt the table one direction or the other to let the ball roll into a gap and fall down to the next row. Press Next. As you fall through rows, you'll get points, and you'll get even more points for falling through the last row and completing the board. Press Next. By completing boards, you'll progress to more levels and worlds. The boards will have more rows on later levels and they'll gain some new looks. Solve as many boards as you can and get a high score.